Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to load paper to Samsung Xpress M2070W. Open the paper tray lid and first of all notice the paper guides on the left and right side. These guides center your paper stack so that the printer can correctly pull the paper sheets. These guides can be really hard to move. To slide them closer together you need to reach inside and push from the middle, like this. And to widen them slightly, lift and at the same time spread apart, like this. For A4 or letter formats, extend the guides fully. For smaller formats, use these paper size markers on the lid as the guides. So now get the paper stack, insert it into the printer and push it towards the printer until it meets the stopper. Now adjust the paper guides like this. And the last recommendation, don't load stacks that are too thick. There is a plastic limiter here, so leave at least 2 or 3 millimeters of gap between it and the paper stack. And that's all when it comes to loading paper into this printer. So I hope this video was helpful. If yes, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and be awesome. Bye guys!